So we have this question. Find the lowest common multiple of 15 and 10. So let's try to solve this. So now look at what I'm going to do. I'm going to have these lines drawn. And then I'll have 15 and 10. Now what we are trying to do is to divide these numbers by prime numbers. So either 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. as the case may be. So let's do this. We ask ourselves, can 2 go in either 15 or 10? Now 2 can go in 10, so we divide by 2. 2 in 15 will not give us an whole number. 2 cannot go in 15, so we still write 15. Do you understand? 2 in 10 is 5, so we write 5. Does this make sense? Now we move to 3. Can 3 go in either 15 or 5? We know 3 can go in 15, so we put 3. 3 in 15 is 5. 3 cannot go in 5, so we still put 5. Do you understand? So we know that the next number to pick is 5, and 5 can go in either of the 5s we have. So 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 5 is 1. So we stop here. As soon as you have 1 all through, you stop. Does that make sense? So to get the LCM, we just multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. So the LCM of 15 and 10 is 30. Do you understand? So if you notice, it's like doing prime factorization, what we did in the last couple of videos, but this time around for 2 numbers. Does that make sense? Let's take another question. Now we have find the lowest common multiple of 5, 20, and 50. Now let's solve this. Remember, we are dividing with prime numbers. So this time around, we have 3 numbers, 5, 20, and 50. Dividing with prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Do you understand? So we ask ourselves, can 2 go in either 5, 20, and 50? Now 2 can go in 20 and 2 can go in 50, so we start with 2. 2 cannot go in 5, so we write 5. 2 in 20 is 10. 2 in 50 is 25. Do you understand? So we ask ourselves again, can 2 go in either 5, 10, or 25? 2 can go in 10, so we divide by 2 again. 2 cannot go in 5, so we write 5. 2 in 10 is 5. 2 cannot go in 25, so we still write 25. So we ask ourselves, can 3 go in either of these? Definitely no. Can 5 go in either of these? Yes. So we have 5. 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 5 is 1. 5 in 25 is 5. But remember, we can't stop here until we have 1 across board. So we still put 5. So we've got 1, 1. Then 5 in 5 is 1. So we can stop now. So it means that the lowest common multiple. Now I want to teach you another way the answer could be. We have 2 times 2. So we write 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Do you understand? Now remember how we did in prime factorization. All we need to do is, how many 2's do we have? 2 2's. So we write 2 raised to power 2 times, how many 5's do we have? 2 5's. So we can write 5 raised to power 2. So this can be an answer. Or we multiply it out. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 5 is 100. So this also can be the lowest common multiple of 5, 20, and 50. I hope you understand. So we still did the same thing. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 5, 100. That's how we got 100. Or you can do it one by one. How many 2's do we have? 2 2. So we have 2 square times, how many 5's do we have? 2 5. So we have 5 square. Do you understand? Let's take another example.